Here, take a look. The Asian from India, they're growing vegetables garden. It's Asian vegetables garden, but do you think nature don't care? Because the soil and the plant, they will grow anywhere you take care and feel the loveliness while you're walking. I can see okra, cucumber, and Asian gourd. It's all, some of the native Indian American used to also grow. Look at this house. Look at this all the way climbing. I just love to see, and they let me take a tour too. Look at the beautiful. You don't have to go country to see it. You can make a city to look your country and feel the grandma's, all those authentic vegetables. And it remind me Bangla poetry. তুমি যাবে ভাই যাবে মোর সাথে আমাদের পাড়া গায়ে গাছের ছায়ায় লতায় পাতায় উদাসী বনের বায় তুমি যদি যাও দেখিবে সেখানে মটর লতার সনে শিম আর শিম হাত বাড়ালেই মুঠি ভরে সেই ক্ষণে. Different people are different. I like to see when vine, it's binding and holding tight, flower blooming, and you know all those American, it's okra. They call okra, Asia called vendi. It's the name. So lovely. Look at the grandpa. It's visiting the daughter house, and he always take care plant early in the morning. I met with him. So lovely. তুমি যাবে ভাই যাবে মোর সাথে আমাদের পাড়া গায়ে গাছের ছায়ায় লতায় পাতায় উদাসী বনের বায়. It's just telling, please come brother and sister, you want to come see my country? You will see how loveliness it's blooming, and the beans plants vine is binding, but you can make it a city like a country. Ooh, have a wonderful day to all. Take a look. They even use the outside little land. So what? Somewhere the rental people will say you cannot plant. I think those rules should be changed. Anybody can plant. Look at the flower. Most of the time the flower is yellow. Most of the time, like you know, squash, and it's bitter melon. It's yellow. Hello, yellow.